Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Now we are going to proceed continue on our next learning objective. You need to, in this objective or this question, we focus on how to, okay, uh, oh my god, how to find general or standard equation from a certain condition. It depends on the condition being given by the equation. For example, part A, when it gives you the center and then a point that passing through and then a center touching the line something and so on. So we will discuss on this matter. Okay, so next year, okay, what we are focusing now only to find either general equation or standard equation. Okay, let's say if you obtain standard equation and then the question is asking for general equation, you need to expand. So let's say if you already find instant general equation and then you need to express as a standard equation, what you're gonna do, you need to do competitive square. Simple, right? We already discussed previously. Okay, so next here, find the general equation of the circle that satisfies the given condition. So from this one, you all need to know that from part A here, okay, the first one, okay, you need to know how to sketch this diagram. So this is the center, sorry, this is the circle for part A. And then the center is the negative 2, 3, and the passing through 1, 1. So let's say 1, 1 here. Actually, it's very simple. Okay, because HK already being given, which is equal to negative 2, 3. So when you substitute into a standard equation, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equal to r square here. So what you're going to have? So it will be x minus minus will be plus 2 bracket square plus y minus 3 bracket square equal to r square simple. So this is in terms of standard equation. Okay, here you need to find r square. So r, either you can connect, you will connect these 2 points. Okay, and then this one will represent our radius r. Or maybe because, okay, 1, 1, okay, 1, 1 lies on this circle line. So you also can substitute point of 1, 1 into this equation. Okay, so it will be, for example, 1 plus 2 bracket square plus y, sorry, y is 1. So 1 minus 3 bracket square equal to r square. So here will be 3 square is a 9 plus 1 minus 3 is a negative 2, negative 2 square, 4. So you have something like this. So your r square here equal to 13. Simple. And then substitute into your standard equation, it will be equal to x plus 2 bracket square plus y minus 3 bracket square equal to 13. So this is standard equation, but the question is asking for general equation. So what you're going to do, you need to expand. So for example, you will be x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to 13. Okay, and then it will be x square plus y square and then plus 4x minus 6y and then 4 plus 9 will be 13 and then 13 minus 2 will be 0. So plus 0 equal to 0. Simple. So this is our general equation. Okay, simple, right? Okay, so next here, because we already have expressed our general equation here, we go to part B. The center 0, 7 and touching the line 3x is equal to 32 plus 4y. Okay, from this one, okay, what you gonna do from this one? Okay, first we will sketch the diagram. Okay, and then the center 0, 7. So this is 0, 7. And then touching the line 3x. So let's say the line is here. Tangent lah. Okay, this is tangent. So it is a 3x. Okay, we try to express as a ax plus by plus c in general form. So it will be equal to what? 3x minus 4y minus 32 equal to 0. Okay, this is a linear equation. So this is 0.7. Sorry, 0.7 plus. Okay, I rewrite 0.7. Okay, so next here. Okay, when you apply standard equation here, you will know that this one is a x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equal to r square, and x minus h x minus 0 will be x bracket square, and then plus y minus 7 equal to r square. Okay, then we need to find this distance, right? Okay, this distance, radius. So this radius is the shortest distance between this point, this center to tangent. So formula of a shortest distance, which is our shortest distance, is equal to radius is equal to, okay, absolute or modulus AH plus BK plus C over square root of A square plus B square. Okay, this formula also will be given, don't worry. So we need to identify our A here. So this is in terms of this one, right? I already mentioned just now. So our A is 3. Our B is a negative 4. Our C is a negative 32. Y, our H here is a 0. Our K is 7. Okay, this one. Okay. And then we will substitute here. So our D here will be equal to, let's look, A is a 3, and then H is a 0, plus B is a negative 4, K is a 7, C is a negative 32, over square root of A is a 3 square, plus B negative 4 square. Simple, right? And then you will have D here is equal to what? Okay, is equal to 12. So you know that your radius is 12. And then you can substitute here. So it will be, this one, will be equal to x square plus y minus 7 bracket square equal to r is 12, so 12 square. Simple, right? And then maybe you will expand this one. So you will get your, this is standard equation, expand, please expand, and then you will get general equation. Okay, because I don't want to discuss too much, okay, on this equation, because we already discussed previously. Okay, so next, for the next one, for part C, a line segment joining negative 1, 0, and 3, 4 here is the diameter of a circle. So I think this one is very simple. Okay, for part C, simple, right? Simple je. Okay, draw a circle, and then let's say this is the first point, negative 1, 0, lies on the circle. Another one here is 3, 4. And when you connect these 2 points here, it will be diameter. In between, the midpoint here is HK, or center. So how to find HK? Right, simple, right? HK is midpoint between these 2 points, so it will be negative 1 plus 3 over 2, and then 0 plus 4 over 2. So you will have negative 1 plus 3 is 2, 2 over 2 is 1. While this one 4 over 2 is 2. So HK of center is 1, 2. Simple. Okay. So since you already have this center, so you can express in standard equation. Okay. Actually you need to consider either you have to use standard equation or general equation, which one is much easier. Both still correct, but you have to uh, choose the simplest one. Okay, either standard equation or apa nama general equation. Okay, that one based on experience. So that's why you need to do more exercise. Okay, when you looking at the equation, you will know. Okay, this one using standard equation is much easier and simpler. Save more time, or maybe general equation. Okay, so this one by using standard equation, you will have x minus 1 bracket square plus bracket y minus 2 bracket square equal to r square. Okay, and then you can choose any point, or you also can find the distance between center to this point, so whatever. But because 3, 4 or negative 1, 0 lies on this circle, we may substitute any point here. So for example, negative 1, 0 into this equation. So it will be equal to negative 1 minus 1 bracket square plus 0 minus 2 bracket square equal to r. So here will be negative 2, negative 2. Sorry, negative 1 will be negative 2 square 4. Here also 4 equal to r. So r equal to a. So our standard equation is, this one r square. So r square is equal to 8. So x minus 1 bracket square plus y minus 2 bracket square equal to 8. Simple. So but this one is a standard equation. You need to expand, right, in order to express in general equation. So you need to expand. Okay, so next, for the next part here, okay, pass through point A, okay, pass through point A, negative 2, 4, and then point B, 7, 7. Okay, so for this example, okay, when we draw or sketch the diagram, so let's say this is our circle, and then there are 2 points, negative 2, 4, so let's say negative 2, 4 here, and then another point is a 7, 7, B, point B. Okay, so next, okay, so next, it state that the center lies on the line y minus x equal to 1. So let's say you have a line here. Okay, it lies on the center. So either HK or negative GF, negative G, negative F. So because this one is much easier, we solve using general equation. So I will put here HK, where HK equal to negative G, negative F. Okay. So from this one, okay, by using a general equation, okay, general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So from this one, we need we know that negative 2, 4. So the first point is the negative 2, 4 lies on this circle. We can substitute into this general equation. It will be negative 2 bracket square plus 4 bracket square plus 2g, negative 2 plus 2fy is a 4 plus c equal to 0. Okay, simple. Okay, next, another equation is when we substitute 7, 7. So it will be 7, 7. So it will be 7 square plus also 7 square plus 2g bracket 7 plus 2f bracket 7 plus c equal to 0. Okay, you need to simplify in terms of g, f, and c because these three are unknown. Then you need to solve. Okay, so by here, because we are using a calculator, so it's much easier here. Okay, because we can simplify this one, and we need to express our equation here. First equation, let's say first equation in terms of what should be expressed in our calculator. So we need to calculate like that lah. Okay, so for this one, for example, when you substitute negative 2, 4, you will have negative 4g plus 8f plus c equal to negative 20. So this is your first equation. So next equation, when you substitute 7, 7, you simplify as a 14g plus 14f plus c equal to negative 98. So this is your second equation. Okay, why? Because when you use your own calculator, okay, press menu and then choose number 8 and not number 8. After number 9 is A. So equation and then press equal and then choose simultaneous equation 1 and then this calculator asks for how many unknowns. So put 3. Okay, as you can see, it in terms of 0x 0y plus 0x plus 0y plus 0z is equal to 0. So we need to key in each of unknown into our calculator. For example, our first is a negative 4g. So it's a negative 4. And then 8f. And then the next one is 1c. So 1, negative 20. Simple. And then the next one is 14g, 14f, and 1c equal to negative 98. Okay, so how about the third equation? So third equation here, very simple because the line, when it pass through the line is y minus x is equal to 1. So here is line of y minus x is equal to 1. Okay, in terms of g and f here, okay, the center should be equal to negative g, negative f. Okay, so when we substitute here, negative g, negative f, because negative g, negative f lies on this straight line. So we substitute into this equation. So we will have what? So y is a negative f minus minus plus g equal to 1. Simple. Then when we sort like this one, so we will have g minus f plus 0c is equal to 1. So this is our third equation. So 1g minus 1f 0c equal to 1. Okay, and then when you calculate, you will have your g x is g is equal to negative 3. And then your f here is equal to negative 4. And our c here is 0. Simple. Okay, this one by using calculator. But when you are using calculator without simplify this 1, 2, 3 equation, okay, there will be a deduction of your marks. Maybe 1 to 2 marks will be deducted. But you save a lot of time. But please try to simplify here and then find G, F, and C. Okay, that one you need to show your calculation. Okay, I'm using calculator here, shortcuts here because we running out of time right now. Okay, and then please don't forget to substitute into our general equation. So general equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2g. G is a negative 3x plus 2ff is a negative 4, y plus cc is a 0. Something like this. So you will have x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 8y plus 0 equal to 0. So this is your general equation supposedly lah. Okay, if I'm not mistaken here. Okay, using my calculator. Okay, if there is something wrong here, we will discuss later. Okay, so next. The last one is when you are given 3 points. So here is a 9, negative 7, negative 3, negative 1, and 6, 2. Okay, this circle, circle line passing through all these 3 points. Or we can also state that these 3 points lies on the circle line. So maybe you can draw something like this. Okay, this is your circle. And then put 3 points. So this is the first point, second point, and third point. Okay, and any point you put here. For example, -3, -1, our first point. Okay, second point is a 9, -7. And our third point is 6, 2. Simple, right? Okay, and then substitute all into general equation. So general equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, okay? Just substitute our first point, -3, -1, for example. So here you have simple. So it will be -3 square, okay, plus -1 square plus 2g -3 plus 2f -1 plus c equal to 0. Sorry, equal to 0. Okay, next. When you simplify here, you will have -6g minus 2f plus c equal to -10. So this is your first equation. Okay, next. Our second point is 9, -7. Substitute here. Okay, you need to show your solution. So it will be 9 bracket square plus -7 bracket square plus 2g bracket 9 plus 2f bracket -7 plus c equal to 0. And then we simplify, we will have 18g minus 14f plus c equal to 130. So this is our second equation. Okay, last one. When we substitute our last point here, 6, 2. So we're going to have 6 bracket square plus 2 bracket square plus 2g, 6 plus 2f, 2 plus c equal to 0. And it will be 12g plus 4f plus c equal to -40. So this is our third equation. Okay, similar like previous one. Okay, because we already have a 3 equation and 3 unknown. Okay, we substitute into our calculator. Okay, but please simplify using your own calculation by using substitution or elimination, or you also can use a matrix. Okay, but if you want to save your time, you can straight using your calculator, but your mark will be deducted around 1 to 2 marks. Okay, but it still save your time, and you will invest for first time and then accuracy. So confirm your answer must be correct lah. If you substitute correctly, and then you substitute into calculator correctly. Okay, so here we substitute. So after you substitute, you will have here, okay, your g here. Okay, g equal to -3, f equal to 4, and c equal to -20. And lastly, when we write into general equation, we will have x square plus y square plus 2g, g -3x plus 2f 4y plus c -20 equal to 0. And then our final answer will be x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus 20 equal to 0. Okay. I think there is a mistake here. Okay, this one. Because saya tertukar dengan jawapan kat sini. Nilai G sebenarnya kalau guna calculator saya tak kira tadi. Kalau guna calculator rasanya yang kat sini dapat G equal to -1. Okay, F equal to 0, C equal to 0. Okay, and it gives us our general equation is x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. Okay, but what is the most important part? You have to know how, okay, to solve. Okay, what is the step, okay, in order to obtain this solution. Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, so you need to know lah how to find general or standard equation when certain condition given, like a center and passes through a certain point, and then center touching the line, and then a line segment joining two points and represent a diameter of that circle because these 2 points connected. Okay, and then passing through 2 points, and then the center lies on the uh, line of y equal to mx plus c. And then the last one, okay, this is orang panggil soalan yang agak famous when passing through 3 points. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, and then I really hope you can do two exercise after this, and then submit. That's all. Thank you.